Kanama SmartBait PowerBox. User Guide. This PowerBox contains 3 slots for mini SmartBaits and 3 slots for Pro SmartBaits, as well as a fast charging port. Before placing a SmartBait into the PowerBox, adjust it to a relatively straight position. Insert the SmartBait into the slot with its charging port facing down. If the SmartBait is out of battery and cannot be angled, use the fast charging port for emergency charging. Pay attention to the SmartBait's orientation when using the fast charging port. After 3 seconds of fast charging, you can readjust its angle and place it in the slot for normal charging. The PowerBox supports simultaneous charging for up to 3 SmartBaits and is fully compatible with all SmartBait models released by Kanama. Users can flexibly adjust their setup based on their individual needs. A high-speed fast charging cable is built into the lid. It can be used to charge this PowerBox. It can also be used as a power bank to charge mobile phone. When using outdoors, ensure the waterproof cover on the rear charging port is tightly closed. This product is fully waterproof. It will automatically float if dropped in water. If there is water inside the PowerBox, please wipe the interior completely dry. Also, ensure the charging contacts on the SmartBait are wiped dry. It can then be used for normal charging. This concludes the full tutorial for this product. For purchases or related inquiries, please visit the official Kanama website. Thank you for watching.